Hello friends, my name is Ashish from Way to English. Most of the people worried about it when we use can, should, might, would. If you are in that list, you need to keep watching this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about a modal verbs. Modal verbs used with another verbs to show express permission, ability, possibility, suggestions. Example, modal verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. I am going to tell you each and everything in this video. The first one is can. Can is used for ability. Example, I can do this work. For the can, for asking the permission, we can tell that for that example is you can go now. For request, can you translate this article for me please? For possibility, usually used in a negative and interrogative sentence. You cannot get that book from Karachi. For anger, example, can you just shut up? For general truth, example, by exercising daily, you can lose your weight. For asking offers, example, can I help you? It is all about can. Now come to the could. Could is used for most past ability. For that example, when I was in SSC, I could study for 7 hours daily. For past possibility, the road could be blocked but the police reached in time. For polite way of asking, example, could I have my book back please? For uncertain possibilities, they could come anytime. For suggestions, we could have lunch outside today. For anger, you could try to change it before my arrival. For suggestions, you could go there before he had gone. Now come to the may. May is used for possibility, usually used in positive sentence. It may rain today. For permission, may I join you, sir? For wish, usually in operative sentences, may my mother live long. For request, may I speak, sir, please? For prohibition, now come to the might. Might is used for possibilities. Example, it might rain today. For politeness, might I take more? For suggestions, example, I thought you might help me. Now come to the will. Will is used for future actions. He will leave for India tomorrow. For willingness, I will play with you. For asking something, will you give me your watch? For polite invitation, will you join me please? For anger, will you stop talking? For something possible, who is knocking the door? It will be Ali. For things which usually happen, it will last longer if you use it carefully. For promise, example, I will come there tomorrow. Now come to the would. Would is used for a polite request. For a polite request, would you mind sitting here? For strong desire, would that I could see. For past habitual actions, I would study very hard when I was in primary school. For typical behavior, they always say we are busy. They would say that again. For reasons, why would one miss such an offer? Shall. Shall is used for first person pronoun. I or we shall go together. For a command, usually in second or third person. Example is, you shall not enter to his room. For asking something, shall you forgive me? For permission, shall I collect the money from them, sir? Now come to the should. Should is used for something advisable. Example is, if you can sleep, you should go to good physician. For expectation. Example, you should do it very easy. For a purpose. Example is, take umbrella lest you should get wet. For reason, why one should reject this offer. For advice, you should not worry because he is alive. For expressing obligation or duty. Example is, we should obey the law. For politeness, I should like to help you. Now come to the must. Must is used for necessary things. You must study hard. Example, for strong intention. Example, you must invite him. For strong possibility. Example, he must be hungry. For obligation. Example, you must get up very early. For expressing logical certainty. Example, living in so much crowd must be very difficult. Now come to the used to. Used to is for repeated action in the past. Example, we used to play a lot when we were younger. For expressing a discontinued habit. I used to study a lot in SSC. Now come to the need. Need is used for necessity or obligation. Example, I need hardly to go. So my dear friends, in this video you learn about a modal verbs. So you got a clarification when we use can, should and what time, what purpose you use these verbs. So keep on watching my videos. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. For more videos, don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.